Okay, so as the question says, when the ash accumulates to 10 feet, it's going to be dangerously high, so people will not be able to escape and eventually die. So I'm trying to calculate the time at which it's going to reach 10 feet, because at that time, it's no longer possible to evacuate. So to start this, I'm going to put the original equation, which is 1/4 e to the negative 1/5 x plus 3. So in order to get the time, it's going to be 10. The total ash is going to equal the integral of the rate. So to solve this out, it's going to be the integral of 1/4 e to the negative 1/5 x plus 3 and dt. So in order to do this, I'm going to have to use u substitution. So my u is going to be kind of the most difficult thing, which is inside. So I'm going to make u equal to negative 1/5 x plus 3. And my du is going to be the derivative of this, which is just negative 1/5 dt. So after this, I'm going to plug that back in. So it's going to be the integral of 1/4 e to the u. And then we want to solve for dt. So that's just going to be dt is equal to negative 5 du. So I'll just plug in du and then times it by negative 5. So this will just turn into a negative 5. And from there, we can plug the u's back in. So it's going to be negative 5 over 4 e to the negative 1/5 x plus 3, and then let's not forget the plus c. So now we're going to have to solve for that c. And in order to solve for that c, we need to set it equal to something. And I'm going to set it equal to 0 because the total ash is 0 at time 0. So I can plug in 0 for both. So it can be 0 equals negative 5 over 4e. So when I plug in 0, this is going to turn into a 0. So this is going to be e cubed plus c. So now it's going to be easy enough. C equals positive 5 over 4 e cubed. This equals c. So now, in order to know when it's going to